Hi, Phil Swift here. Millions of people trust Flex Seal Liquid to coat, seal, and stop leaks fast.
It pours out as a thick liquid and dries to a strong, flexible, rubberized coating.
Flex Seal Liquid seems very sturdy. It seems like it would seal and last forever.
I'm not sure what magic you guys do, but the stuff is incredibly durable.
Flex Seal Liquid creates a strong waterproof barrier on large areas, like basements and foundations.
Cracks, leaks, foundations, plumbing, you name it.
It works really for any place you want to create a waterproof area. It works.
Repair your RV and coat all types of leaking roofs for a strong, watertight seal.
Flex Liquid, again, I just rolled it. Boom, I'm done. I'm off the roof.
And it rains a lot where I live, so I need to seal the roof. I lined it with the Flex Seal Liquid, no leaks.
People all over the world trust Flex Seal Liquid.
Get Flex Seal Liquid, now with a great new look.